Launching a drone mission required operators to master a range of commands, menus, and configuration steps. It was a process defined by technical barriers. The latest update changes everything, introducing DJI FlightHub 2 Copilot, a native AI assistant embedded directly into the platform. This marks a major step toward embedded intelligence for drones. Copilot integrates with the DJI hardware and software ecosystem, allowing you to issue instructions through text or voice in plain language. Instead of navigating multiple screens, you simply say or type what you need. For example, you can say, "Fly forward 200 meters, point the gimbal down, and take 3 photos." Copilot interprets your request, reads the drone's real-time status, and breaks complex tasks into executable steps. Or, for return to home, the user can give a simple command such as "return home." The drone will follow the commands using Copilot and perform these inputs. To ensure safety, Copilot generates a task plan for high-risk operations like takeoff. It only executes after you provide information or confirmation. New operators will spend far less time learning the platform, while experienced teams can dispatch missions faster than ever before. Current capabilities of DJI FlightHub 2 Copilot include mission control. That means launch and control drone missions via text or voice input. Status reading. Understand drone status and translate user intent into actions. Task decomposition. Automatically handle flight, photo capture, video recording, and search. For controlling the camera and the gimbal of the drone, the user can give simple commands such as "take a photo," "take photo every 2 seconds" for having a continuous photos, or for a timed video shooting, the user can just give a command like "record for 30 seconds." For other types of pictures such as panorama photo, the user can give the command "take a panorama," or if the user want to switch to other cameras like infrared camera or wide angle camera, the user can give a command "switch to infrared lens" or wide angle lens. The FlightHub 2 agent also supports VLM Smart Search, where the user can enable the target detection. He can type "search for a person wearing a cap" or "search for a moving vehicle or a white truck." The system will automatically run the input in the background algorithm and give the detection of the target. For public safety or certain rescue missions, the user can use the spotlight and loudspeaker on the drone, matters for TD. For missions that require broadcasting, the FS2 agent is also very helpful, where the user can broadcast by just some text or by a voice input. The user can simply type "broadcast, please pay attention to safety." The loudspeaker installed on the drone will broadcast this command to the team on ground. Safety remains the priority. A red emergency stop button is always visible, bypassing AI processing to command an immediate hover. So that's all about the latest DJI FlightHub 2 agent Copilot. We hope you give it a try and let us know how is your experience with this AI agent, so that we can also have a feedback and improve our systems for a better future. Thank you.